Hi there guys, Jason here from Blackpool Honda. Hope you're all well. Today I'll be doing a short video walk round of this 1.5 hybrid Jazz Crosstar EX. Comes in that shining grey and sits on 16-inch alloy wheels. We will go into each of the alloy wheels for you, just to show you their condition. To begin with, we'll walk around and have a look at the spectacular colour that we have here. Second alloy. And then around to the back of the vehicle, you can see those 4 reversing parking sensors, your reversing camera there, and if we head into the rear, you'll see an ample amount of space and those 60/40 folding back seats. Full rear LED headlights, rear lights, and we've got your third alloy there for you. At the back we'll see that 3-tone black grey and light grey interior, full cloth with your Isofix anchor points. You've got your gloss black inlays with your full electric windows throughout the vehicle. Full keyless entry. Electric windows and your mirrors with your folding option. Down here we've got your parking sensors, traction control. And we've got that interior following through. Jumping into the car, we see your 1-speed eCVT gearbox with your electronic brake and your brake hold and your ECON Mode there. Air conditioning unit with those front heated seats, and then your 10-inch colour display with your smartphone connectivity and your navigation there for you. Plus your full DAB, FM, AM radio and that Bluetooth smartphone connectivity as well. So heading onto the steering wheel, we can see all your controls here for your onboard computer, voice activation, volume controls and your scrolling buttons there. Auto headlights, auto washers and wipers, and you've got your cruise control and your limiter buttons on this side. 3,652 miles on the clock. Heading around to show you that 4th and final alloy. Take another look at that spectacular shining grey and your 4th and final alloy there for you. Round to the front again, we'll see you do have your front fog lights, full LED headlights, and you've got those parking sensors to the front as well. So guys, if you need a full walk round video of this vehicle, one of our salesmen will be happy to do that for you. Just give us a call down here and inquire on this 1.5 Jazz Crosstar EX. Thanks for your time.